video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to be able to set up your coupons so that when you do your giveaway, you're going to have that set up, and how you can protect it to ensure that no one steals them and shares them on social media platforms, okay? So once you're logged into your dashboard, you're going to go to advertising, and then you're going to go to promotions. And then there's a few different options in regards to setting up promotions. So the one that you guys are going to be doing is the percentage off. So you're going to click create. And then here is what it looks like, okay? So buyer purchases at least one of these items, one for sure purchases item, entire catalog. So if you only have one product, you can put entire catalog. If you have multiple products and you don't want people having access to that coupon code to work on all the products, then you can actually create a product selection. You would just click that, choose the ASIN that you want the coupon work to work for, and that coupon code will only work for that ASIN, okay? But starting out, you guys will most likely only have one product, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So you're going to just put entire catalog and then percent off. So what is the percentage that the customer is going to be getting? So let's just say we're doing a giveaway. On average, is going to be 90%, so we're going to put 90%. Applies to purchase items, done. We don't have to worry about that. And then start date and end date. So when do you want this to end? I don't know why this is in Chinese, but yeah, it's weird. So you would choose the end date, typically when the launch ends. So I would always set it up, guys, to end on the same day that your launch ends, just in case a coupon code gets out and you have an issue. However, if you protect it properly, it really doesn't matter when your end date is. You just want to make sure it's after your giveaway, because if it ends before your giveaway, then anyone that has a coupon code, it will no longer be valid, and that could actually stop and hurt your ranking. So definitely make sure that it's a few months out if you set up everything properly, which I'm going to show you. Now, internal description, this is just for you. No one else will be able to see this. So this is where you're going to put a description in regards to what you want to use to track. So let's just say we're doing the barbecue grill. I'm going to say it's the viral launch giveaway 90% off. Okay, so now I know that this is for the barbecue grill. I'm using viral launch, and it's 90% off. Okay, so then on the next part, this is where it gets important. So under customized messaging, do you guys see this box here that says detailed page display text? If you guys do not click this and you leave it checked mark, what's going to happen is your promotion will actually show up on the Amazon. Let's just go take a look at these products. It'll show up on the Amazon's, I don't know if this guy will have a promotion. Yeah, so it'll show up right here under special offers and product promotion. If you guys do not click that, so make sure it's clicked off, because any seller that comes through pay-per-click or organic sales or launches, whatever the case may be, as long as they get to this page and they see that, hey, I can get 90% off with this code, they're now going to be able to purchase that, but more importantly, they're going to be able to share that with customers and or other buyers, and thousands of people can claim your code, and you can get wiped out within hours. Okay, so make sure when you're doing this promotion, it does not show up. You uncheck that. Okay, so the next thing is, are you going to be using a single-use code, a group code, or none of the above? So in our case, we're going to say none of the above, because we're going to create our own claim codes. A group code is just you create your own code, and then people would just use that code to be able to redeem it. So let's just say that you want to give someone 50% off, and you want everyone to get 50% off. You want to use the same code, and you don't care if 100 people or 1,000 people get the code. Then you can create it like that, or a 30% code. You're not scared if it gets shared. Then you can just create a code. You can actually create your own code. But it has to have, I think, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 or 9 numbers you have to, so you can name it whatever you want. So world 80, or save 50 now, like whatever you want. You guys create it, and then you would just save it, and now when someone puts in that specific code, they're going to be able to get that 90% off. Okay, but in this case, guys, we're just going to put none. We're not going to worry about that. Make sure this is off, check mark. All this looks good, very straightforward. Then you're going to click review. I don't know why the calendar's like that. There you go. Now it's fixed. Okay, so the date was fixed. I don't know why it was showing in Chinese, but you just choose the date like we mentioned, you save it, you click save, and then anytime you do it over 70%, you're automatically going to get this message saying, hey, be careful, you're about to create a coupon codes that are over 70%. Are you sure you want to continue? You're going to say yes, you're going to click submit. and it's automatically done. Your promotions or your listings are going to be created. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Manage Promotions, and now right here, I created this in the past here, but yours won't show up because it actually takes about 3 to 5 hours for Amazon to create your coupon codes, okay? So it's very important that you have this set up, guys, your coupon codes set up in advance prior to contacting a launch service and starting, because if you upload your coupon codes prior to them being active on Amazon, they will not work, and your campaign might get refused by ZonJump and Viral Launch, because they will actually test your coupon codes to make sure they're ready to go. So make sure that you set this up 3 to 5 hours before. So how you guys check that? Again, you go to Pending, you click Search. This is the one that we just created. You would click Tracking ID, and then right here at the top, where is Edit this pro? There should be Manage My Claim Codes. Oh, that's why. Oops, I created that wrong, guys. My bad. So we have to put, there you go. We have to put, so 1, select product, entire catalog. Okay, we're going to do this quickly again. 90% off, Viral Launch, barbecue grill, 90% off. Okay, so then date, again, we'll just put here quickly. Okay, you have to put single use. Okay, I forgot to put single use. It's not none, it's single use, because you are going to be using a group. So customizing message, again, it's not checked, you're good to go. And then you want to make sure it says 1 redemption per customer, okay? So you don't want someone to be able to purchase 5 or 6 or 10 of these units. You want 1 at a time, that's it. So as everything's good, we're going to remake this quickly. You get the alert, say yes. Now it's getting created. Again, it's going to take 3 to 5 hours. Now you go to Manage Your Promotions. You go to Pending, you search, and now we can see both of them. So now once you click this one, you're going to have an option here to click Manage Claim Codes. So you're going to click Manage Claim Codes, and this is where you're going to be able to create your coupon code that you're going to be giving to your customers, whether you're using your own launch on Facebook, friends and family, or you're going through Viral Launch or ZonJump. This is where you create it. So you can name it anything you want. You can put Viral Launch 90 off, and how many are you going to be giving away? So you always want to give a bigger amount. So let's just say with Viral Launch, you're going to be giving away, you need to give away 20 a day. For how many days, guys? We're going to be doing it for 8 days. So 20 times 8 is 160. Now, there's probably about 20% of people that aren't going to purchase the product just because they go to purchase the product, but they end up not purchasing it because they decide not to. So that's around an extra 30-ish people. So we can create around 190, I would just say 200 coupon codes, because we know that even if we give out 200 coupon codes, not everyone's going to purchase it. They're not going to go forward with it. Some people will just leave it in their add to cart, they'll forget about it, or they're not interested. So you always want to put more quantity than what's needed. You create it, then you're going to click Create, and it's automatically within seconds it creates your promo code. So all you got to do, guys, your coupon, sorry, all you got to do is click Download. It gets downloaded, and then you can open it up, and it's going to look like this, guys. So here are your codes. So here are your unique one-time use, single-use codes that you can now upload to ZonJump, upload to Viral Launch, give to friends and family. And when this person puts this code in, they're automatically going to be able to get the 90% because that's what you set up. This is the promotion that you guys set up, right? So like I said, these codes, these coupon codes will not work until your listing is live. So how do you know it's live? When you go to Manage Promotions, right here, it has to show up under active. If it's still under pending, it will not work. And it's telling you right now when it's going to get created. So that's in about 4 hours, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 hours, guys, is the actual number. So in 5 hours, these codes will start working. And like I mentioned earlier, it's important that this is live first, because if you upload this to Viral Launch and ZonJump, or you give it to friends and family, they're going to test it, and it's not going to work. And you're just going to waste people's time and get them frustrated. So just make sure that you set this up, prior, a day before, 5 hours before, whatever the case may be. Have the promo code set up, and now you can actually get ready. So I usually set up a bunch of promo codes because, as you can see, it takes 3 to 5 hours. So depending on what I'm running, I'll have one for 25% off. I'll have one for 50%, 75, 90, 95, 99. I just have all my campaigns ready to go, and then whenever I need a coupon code, I can just go to Manage My Claim Codes and create my own coupon code, generate a coupon code that I can now use. So I would recommend doing the same thing, setting up a bunch of different promotions. So again, you'd go here, create, and now instead of 90%, you could do 25%, right? So same thing, you would just set it up, end date. Now you don't actually need an end date because it's 25%, so who cares if someone gets that? 25% off, right? Single use, one redemption, that's it. You click review. It's calendar issue again, I'm not sure why it's doing that. But again, there you go, you set that up, 25% off, review. Please note, it shows an entire catalog, so yes, I know that someone can get 25% off my entire catalog, and that's it. Now, I have another promotion that's getting created, so if I go here, I can see that I have a 25% one, and I have a 90% one. So I can create a bunch of them, guys, 10%, 20%, 30%, and that's what you want to do also on here. So let's go, here's an example, I'll show you what it looks like. Why you want to have a bunch of promotions. So you want to have a bunch of promotions for your giveaways so that you can do A/B testing to see which percentage works best. But I know this one, whoa, I can't type. Typing too fast, talking too fast. All right, so let's just say any of these products. Let's just say, come on, load. So we click this, we can see that these guys have other promotions going. No, they do not. All right, well, these guys don't have promotions. Okay, well, who are these guys? All right, let's check out these guys and let's see if these guys have it. Super Enzyme, let's go see. I know some supplements have it, so. No, these guys do not have promotions. Okay, well, regardless, if you decided to create a promotion, guys, and oh, it's right here, my bad. So as you guys can see right here, okay, so special offers and product promotions. So right here, order 2 or more Nested Natural products and save 10% off your entire purchase, enter code, so on and so forth at checkout. So how you guys get this on your actual listing is when you're creating the product, when you're creating the listing, sorry, you would just create it like right here, and then you would click customize messaging, you would click it right here. So check out display text, promotion applied. This is where you would actually put this. Order 2 or more nested products, you would put this. You don't have to worry about enter code because Amazon will set that. So you would just put that in here. Single use, you would say they get, what are they getting here? They get 10% off. So all you would do is put 10% off, entire catalog. You can create your own suggested keyword claim code. I would definitely, save me 10. You say save me 10, so on and so forth, qualifying items. And then now it's showing that when someone goes to purchase it, they're actually going to see this message. It's going to show up on the listing. You can create as many as you want. So you can say buy 2 products, 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever you want. And now it shows up on your actual Amazon listing. And it can help you with getting more sales. It won't make a huge difference, but it definitely can help you guys in regards to getting more sales and growing like that. Okay, so that's pretty much how you guys create the coupon codes, guys. It's very straightforward. Like I said, make sure that they're active before you start using them so that you don't run into any issues. And that's it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.